In 1638, a violent storm struck a church in Devon, England. Witnesses reported a ball of fire, roughly a meter across, floating silently through the church walls. It killed 4 people, injured 60 more, then vanished. Historians recorded it. Priests wrote about it. Scientists studied it. That was nearly 400 years ago. And today, in 2024, we still cannot explain what it was: ball lightning. And this is what happens when nature does something that physics cannot explain. Ball lightning is a weather phenomenon. It appears as a glowing sphere, sometimes white, sometimes orange, sometimes blue, ranging in size from a golf ball to over a meter in diameter. Normal lightning lasts less than a second, a fraction of a second to be precise. Ball lightning lasts anywhere from 10 seconds to several minutes. It moves. Sometimes it drifts slowly, like smoke. Sometimes it accelerates at extraordinary speed. It has been seen passing through walls, through closed aeroplane windows, at altitude, through sealed rooms. One witness, an airline pilot, reported seeing a luminous sphere enter the cockpit of his aircraft through the fuselage, pass slowly between the seats, and exit through the opposite wall. No damage, no burn marks, no explanation. Researchers at the University of Florida have collected over 5,000 documented reports from across the world. These are not ghost stories. These are accounts from scientists, military officers, and trained observers. Science has not ignored ball lightning. It has tried, repeatedly, to explain it. In 1966, NASA itself conducted a survey of ball lightning at the Lewis Research Center. They interviewed their own personnel, engineers, physicists, flight specialists. What they found was striking. Ball lightning may occur nearly as often as ordinary lightning strikes. We simply do not notice it. Over the past century, scientists have proposed more than 200 theories to explain ball lightning. 200. Among them, burning silicon nanoparticles released by lightning striking soil, a plasma bubble trapped by its own magnetic field, a phenomenon known as a skyrmion, which physicists only confirmed could exist in 2018, microwave radiation creating a self-sustaining sphere of ionized air. Even, and this was published in a peer-reviewed journal, a form of microscopic wormhole. None of these theories have been proven, none fully explain all the observed properties. The American Chemical Society published a review in 2024. Its conclusion, the reality of ball lightning is not in doubt. Its explanation is, we know it exists, we do not know what it is. For centuries, the problem was simple. Ball lightning disappears before anyone can measure it. Then, in 2012, something remarkable happened. Scientists at Lanzhou University in China were conducting atmospheric research in the field. A thunderstorm passed, and by pure chance, their spectrometers were pointed in exactly the right direction. Ball lightning appeared in front of their instruments. For the first time in recorded history, scientists captured real spectral data of a naturally occurring ball lightning event. The sphere was 5 meters in diameter. It lasted 1.6 seconds. The spectrometer detected silicon, iron, and calcium, the same elements found in ordinary soil. This seemed to confirm one theory, that lightning strikes soil, vaporizes it, and creates a cloud of burning metallic particles that temporarily holds together as a glowing sphere. But there is a problem. The energy required to keep such a sphere glowing for 1.6 seconds, visible in daylight, is far greater than any known chemical reaction involving those elements could produce. The measurement answered one question and opened 3 more. We have measured it, we have photographed it, we have 5,000 witnesses across 5 centuries, and yet, not a single scientist on Earth can tell you what ball lightning actually is, not what powers it, not how it passes through solid walls, not why it sometimes explodes with the force of a grenade, and sometimes simply fades like a dying candle. This is not a gap in knowledge at the edges of science. This is a gap at the center, a phenomenon that happens in our atmosphere, in our cities, above our heads. that we cannot explain. In 2026, with all of our technology, we still cannot build one in a laboratory that behaves the way the real ones do. That should make you wonder what else is out there. Because ball lightning is not alone. There is a sound, a low, constant hum, heard by thousands of people in New Mexico and Bristol across Europe and Asia. No source has ever been found. People have lost sleep over it. Some have lost their minds. Scientists investigated it for decades. They still have no answer. That is part 2, coming next week. If this video made you think, subscribe, because we are just getting started.